Today, a conservative majority on the Supreme Court ruled presidents cannot face criminal prosecution for official acts they committed in office.
The highly anticipated ruling has major implications for Special Prosecutor Jack Smith's felony case against Donald Trump. Our political editor Mark Maxwell is here now to break it all down. Mark?
Yeah, the Supreme Court ruling today severely limits the scope of the federal government's criminal case against Donald Trump. Special Prosecutor Jack Smith charged Trump with pressuring election officials in Georgia to find votes and with scheming with other allies to try and slate fraudulent electors in 2020. The 6-3 majority on the court did not say whether those conversations or conversations Trump had with Vice President Mike Pence were in fact official in nature, but kicked that question down to a lower court. That means this case will take a lot longer, and it becomes a much higher burden of proof for the government to prove, in part because the court said even in cases that do pertain to the president's private conduct, they can't question his motives and they can't introduce any evidence of his public acts to connect the dots and make their case. Our legal analyst, Andrews Walker, said that puts a lot more pressure on Congress to impeach presidents for bad behavior and on voters to make sound choices.
We all vote and Congress can impeach, and that's what the Constitution says should happen. The idea that a president can be convicted in a local courtroom in Missouri might open the door to all kinds of chaos. I think the court wants to close that door.
The federal case is still far from over just yet, but it's becoming a lot less likely Trump will face trial before the election. And if he wins, the court reaffirmed today the president does have the right to fire an attorney general and the right to engage in discussions with them about which criminal cases to pursue and which ones not to.